Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel code-iksha. This is the day 4 of LeetCode series, where today we are looking at a problem that seems simple but hides a very powerful idea. Some problems are not about writing more codes, they are about making the right decision at the right time. This stock problem is a perfect example, and today we'll be breaking down it step by step. Let's get into the problem statement. The problem states that you are given an array called prices, and each number represents the price of a stock on a particular day. You are allowed to buy the stock only once and sell the stock only once, and you must buy before you sell. Here, your goal is to find the maximum profit you can make. If it's not possible to make a profit, the answer should be written as 0. See the example. I have taken example 1, in which I have taken the input price of within the array 7, 1, 5, 3, 6 and 4. These represents the number of days, and my output should be 5. And here again the explanation has buy on the day 2, where the day 2 price is 1, and sale on the day 5. The day 5 of price is 6, and my profit will be 6 minus 1, which is equal to 5. How it works, we'll be seeing it later. Then I've taken another example 2, in which my input is prices is equal to 7, 6, 4, 3 and 1. It returns the output as 0 because in this case no transactions are done and the maximum profit. So it returns 0. To this I have chosen the approach called greedy approach. The greedy idea here is very simple. At any point in time, we only care about two things. That is, what is the lowest price we have seen so far, and how much profit can we make if we sell today. Instead of trying all combinations, we make the best decision at each step. Let's look into how the greedy logic works. We scan the array from left to right. We keep track of the minimum price so far and the maximum profit so far. That is, I directly initialize this with a min price is equal to infinity and my maximum profit is equal to 0. And as I mentioned before, I traverse the prices array, and for each price in the array, prices of. Then, if the prices is lower, we'll update our buying price. If this condition satisfy, I'll be updating the min price is equal to price where I buy that day. Then, otherwise, we check if the sell today gives the more profit. If that condition fails, I'll be checking with the profit is equal to min price. If that gives the maximum profit, I'll update the profit over there. And I'll moving on to the next day. If that doesn't satisfy, I do nothing and I'll move on to the next day and I'll be returning the maximum profit. I hope you catch my words. At the easy steps, I'll be tracking the minimum price and calculate the profit by using profit is equal to price minus min price and update the maximum profit. Here is my code where I'll be taking a class and my class name is solution, and I have taken one method that is maximum profit, and I have initialized the array of integer and store the values of days in the stock, and I have given the name as prices. Then I'll be initializing the variable min price is equal to integer.max value. Integer.max value, I will be storing the maximum value in the integer, so I'll be using this. Then int max profit is equal to 0. Initially, I'll be declaring the max profit is equal to 0. As of now, I didn't get any maximum profit. Then I'll be using this for loop. I hope you got I think you got the confusion that for int price colon price, what it is. It is nothing but it is a for each loop. This is used to do the iterations using the arrays and the collections. This can also be written in this format. For int I is equal to, it is 0, I less than prices dot length I plus plus, where it can, the prices is the, here it is the for is the keyword and int is the data type which I am storing, and price is my loop variable, and colon and prices is, it is the array name where I'll be storing it in the prices. Then I'll be checking the condition. If my prices is greater than min, less than is min, then I'll be the minimum storing it as min price is equal to price, and this become the best day to buy that stock. Or else the maximum profit is equal to max.max, where I'll be getting the maximum profit, that is max profit comma price minus min price. Here I'll be returning the maximum profit. Else, if the above condition will not satisfy, I'll be returning the max profit. Then I'll be closing with this. This is the coding section. If I run this program, I'll definitely get the right answers. And when we use this approach, that is greedy approach, the time complexity will be O of n. That is, I'll be getting in a one stage without enough multiple iterations. So the time complexity becomes O of n. Now let's get into the tracing part. I'll take an example. Prices is equal to 7, 1, 5, 3, 6 and 4. Initial values of this variables are min price is equal to integer dot max value, and my maximum profit I have declared to 0. I have taken the value of day 1. In the day 1, my price is 7. This is the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 and day 6. The value of price in the day 1 is 7 and min price is equal to infinity. Then I'll be checking a condition. If price is less than min price, that is 7 is less than infinity, yes, it satisfies the condition. So my min price becomes the 7 and max profit is equal to 0. There will be no updation for the max profit. Then again, I'll be checking with the day 2. My day 2 price is 1 according to my example. Then min price is 7. Here my min price is updated infinity to 7. So min price is equal to 7. Again I'll be checking with the condition. 1 is less than 7. Yes, 1 is less than 7. This condition will satisfy. Now my min price becomes 1. That is, min price is updated to 7 from 7 to 1. Then my max profit is equal to 0. So according to this is the best date to buy the stock at the price of 1. It has a minimum price, right? So it is the best date to buy that stock. Then I'll be moving on to the day 3. My day 3 price is 5. Then my min price is updated to 1. So I'll be checking the condition. 5 is less than 1. If 5 is less than 1, no, this condition fails. Now what I am doing is I'll be checking for the profit. If that condition will not satisfy, then I need to check for the profit, right? So profit is equal to price minus min price. This is the formula which I will be using to calculate the profit. So my price is according to the array which I have taken is 5 minus my min price is 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So my max profit is updated from 0 to 4. Then again I'll be checking, move on to the day 4. Then my day 4 price is 3. Min price is equal to 1. Again I'll be checking with the condition 3 less than 1. This condition will not satisfy. Again, if this not satisfy, I'll be checking for the profit. Profit is equal to price minus min price. That is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then my profit is equal to 2 and max profit is equal to 4. This will not update because the price of the max profit is the profit I get the lesser price. My max profit is of higher price. So there will be no updation between these values. Again, I'll be checking with the condition. Price is equal to 6. My day 5 price is 6 and min price is equal to 1. 6 is less than 1. If the 6 is less than 1, no, this condition fails. So my profit is equal to price minus min price, that is 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So my max profit now it becomes from 4 to 5. So my profit becomes 5. Then I will be having the max profit over here. Then this will considered as a best day to sell at the price of 6. I'll be not looking at the max profit. Of course I'll be looking at the max profit over here, but I'll be checking on the price as well. If my price is greater, so I'll be sell for that price, the best day to sell at 6. Then again while checking with the price, if I sell in this day 6, my price become lesser. my price decreases, so I will not choose this. So price is equal to 4, min price is equal to 1. Here my profit is equal to 3. My profit is 3, so it not update with the max profit. So the profit remains same. So according to this example, my best day to buy this stock at day 2 for the price of 1, which is having a minimum price. So at the day 5, I'll be getting the max profit, which is of the day to sell at the price of 6. I hope you understand this program. By the end of the loop, we already have the best possible profit. This problem shows us that sometimes the smartest solution is not complicated. It's just well throughout. If this explanations help you, like the video, subscribe for more clear algorithm breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.